Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm making a video after a few good months, and I was away because I was not very well and screens were not really allowed for me. So I was not working on any of these screens. I was not recording any videos, editing any videos, or working on my laptop or writing any books. So I am back for now and I will be continuing to make videos back again on my channel. There will be some simple tweaks on the channel which I will be making a video on very, very soon. But today I want to talk to you about some simple activities that your kids can do while you're traveling. We recently came back from a trip to Jaipur. The trip was basically for my treatment. And while I went to the hospital in the mornings, my husband and son stayed in the hotel room. So a lot of people asked me, how do you keep your son engaged in a single small hotel room? Or does he watch TV the whole day? So my answer is no, he did not watch TV the whole day, though we did allow him an hour or two of screen time every day while we were traveling. But otherwise, the whole day he would be really occupied with lots of different things. And of course, if you would like your kids to be happy and active while you're traveling, there are a few things that you have to pack and carry. So, here are a few ideas. I really hope that you find them useful if you are planning a travel trip sometime now, or if you're even traveling for work and your spouse and your child are in the hotel room and they're feeling cooped up. So, here are a few things. Number one is carry a drawing book and some simple art material. So what we carried a big drawing book and a set of brush pens and some gel pens. That's all that we carried for drawing material, and my son used those materials to come up with lots of different pictures and sketches and doodles. So one is that. The other thing is you can use the same drawing book to create a do-it-yourself coloring book. Instead of carrying a separate stack of coloring books, if you're good in drawing, you can take some of the favorite pictures and draw it with just pen or pencil in the drawing book and let them fill the colors in it. If you feel that drawing is not your forte, you can also, before you leave home, take printouts of the favorite coloring pages and glue them onto the same drawing book that you're taking. The thing with traveling and activities is that you want to take a few things and use them for as many things. So here is, I hope you're able to see this. Now, my son enjoys Calvin and Hobbes, and he asked my husband to draw these with ink, with pens, in a drawing book, and he used his brush pens to color all of it. I think there should be another picture. Yeah, so something like this. So you get the idea, right? So you use one drawing book for different things. You can use this drawing book for them to draw and sketch and doodle in. And you can also either glue blank coloring pages or draw your own coloring pages for them to fill up in. So here are two activities using just the same materials. The other thing is carry some toys which are not just for playing but which they can create with. Now, my son enjoys playing with Legos. So here is a Lego Avenger set that we carried. These. And what he did was he just used the same material to make different characters and toys out of this. So it's like it just takes a little bit of space to pack, but he got hours of fun out of it. Another thing I would suggest is carry a small craft kit. Now, in a craft kit, of course, there can be lots of material, but what you can pack in, or what we packed in, was a small child friendly scissor. We carried some sheets of blank paper, some sheets of colored paper, glue, sellotape, and that's it. And whatever material we could find there, for example, we found a couple of paper cups there. So he took all of it and turned it into a JCB with sheets of paper, those paper cups. He colored the paper and he glued it up with sellotape and glue and made it into a JCB toy. So just a few materials and they can turn it into collages. They can make the same sheets of paper. If you carry thin sheets of colored paper, those can be turned into origami sculptures also. So my son and I, we enjoy doing origami, and he used the same paper to make things like cats and dogs and pigs, etc. So that is it. And another thing that I would like to suggest is carry your own card games. Now, by that card games, I mean these are portable travel games, games like Uno, Scrabble, Pictureka. These are two of them, Uno and Pictureka. These are our absolute favorite. And we used to play these games every evening in the hotel room. So carrying these games don't take too much of space. There's just this much to pack, and you can have hours of fun just with it. So this is what these were some of the ideas of keeping kids engaged and the materials to carry if you are traveling with your children. If you found this video helpful, do give us a thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon if you would like to know about the videos regularly. Also, if you enjoyed this video, do connect with us on Instagram. I'm going to leave the links below, or on Facebook, and share this video with friends who might find this video helpful or enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back again next week with another video on homeschooling or working from home, sustainability and wellness. Do check it out and be back at our channels. Bye bye.